Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus development. In this video, we are going to install a air hockey game script into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is a script which are going to install into a FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the script, we just need to scroll down over here. Then click on this link which is over here. Now you will redirect to the Tibet store. You just need to click over here and get the script. After when you get the script from the Tibet store, you will receive these two resources in the granted access section of your CFX portal. You just need to download them both. After downloading them both, we have to extract the files into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting them over here. Just like this. Now open this air hockey folder. Then config.lua. From here, we can configure the location of the air hockey table. So I'll be keeping it default for now. From here, you can configure the number of scores to win the game. And from here, you can configure which color is going to start first. And from here, you can configure the time limit, which is going to be in seconds. And rest of the things you can configure according to your need. So I'll be keeping them default for now. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in the server now. Now let's teleport ourselves to the location. So over here you can see this is the air hockey table. The location is in this area on the map as you can see. So I'm alone in my server, so let's start the game by pressing E. So as you can see, the game has been started over here. On the above you can see the number of scores and the timer. So let's score some points. As you can see, I have scored 1 point over here. Oh god. To win the game, I have to score 7 points over here. So okay, I have scored 7 points over here and I won the game. Because I am solo, that's why I won the game. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.